Welcome to room 2221 on the Carnival Splendor. We've just arrived to our interior cabin with 2 portholes. So even though there are the 2 portholes, it's classified as an interior and it is quite small and pokey, but I think it will do just fine. So you've walked in the door, you've got this large table space on the right. The table space has 3 drawers. You've got a hairdryer and pencil and pen, as well as 2 empties for just storing your luggage away. Sorry, there is a 4th one down here that's empty as well. On the other side, you've got a mini fridge. You've got an empty mini fridge, so you can put your own stuff in there, which is great. In here, laundry bags and laundry paperwork. You've got your Fun Times program, which tells you all the day's events. They've got here the movie timetable, which is very exciting, and some entertainment options. You've got your room service menu, a phone as well in your cabin. Beautiful lighting either side of the mirror here. This will be great for doing makeup and hair in the morning. You've got your TV up here on the wall. Here you've got your king bed. You've got a side light as well as a USB-A and a USB-C power point either side of the bed. Beautiful piece of artwork above the bed which really lightens the space. Small pathway on this side and you've got your 2 portholes here. Gee, that is thick glass. Whew. Back along, you've got a small little pathway, $6.50 there for the bottle of water. Next to the bed, you've got a little handle, a little door, which will open to a small storage space below. 3rd and 4th bedding options are the single bed here, and then tonight they will come in and set up the room for sleeping and pull down the 2nd bed from above. As we come back around, we've now got the storage cupboards. This here is just 4 shelf space. The 2nd closet here is for hanging space. They've got hangers in there for you, and you'll also find your life jackets. In the last cupboard across, this is where they store the ladder for the bed that will be pulling down later tonight. And you've got more hangers. You could probably even put some shoes in there, just keep them out the walkway. Behind me is the bathroom. So when we open it up, it opens outward, providing more space in the bathroom. All right, so this is the bathroom space. You've got your shower in here. It comes with shower gel and shampoo attached to the wall. Quite a good little space. It's tight, but there's enough room to do a little turnaround. They've got the pull-out clothesline for drying items as well. So you've obviously got the toilet in this space. On the angle, it does have a handle. Towels are stored up above. Lots of rack or shelf space here, which is really helpful. Gets all the toothbrushes and soap and makeup off the countertop. 2 glasses, you're provided with 2 soaps. Good amount of space on the vanity there. Pretty pleasing. Rubbish bin down there, tissues, toilet paper. You do have one of those 2x, 5x mirrors here for makeup, so that will come off the wall, which is handy. So there you go. That seems to be a walkthrough of a interior cabin with 2 portholes on the Carnival Splendor. Let's do some cleaning tests. Let's do our cleaning tests and check if they've been cleaned. Yeah, that looks good. Going around the edge, I can see there's a lot of grossness. Okay, so definitely around the base of the lamp.
You can actually see it along the base there. You can actually see it.
That's actually disgusting. No one's done this.
In a long time.
In a long time.
It's good for the next people there.
Oh,
yeah, see how
look at it all on that side. Oh, I'm going to need more wipes. This is now a cleaning job.
So the actual table itself, this part, that was wiped, but not around the edge.
Oh, I need more wipes. Chunks of it are falling on the desk. Top of the bed. Clean. Let's check the tops of the desk. Clean.
Okay, clean top.
Check the mirror base. Clean. dirty. Which means that that sits there for all the guests as they come and go, come and go. Let's check the side table. Clean. TV remote. Ooh, bit brown. Don't know if you can really see that, but let's check the tabletop on the vanity. Yeah, that looks clean to me. Overall, this space wasn't too bad. All the surfaces in here looked pretty clean. Just a little bit of dust on the shelves, but I guess that's expected. Overall, all the surfaces were really clean. It was just this side table and the other side table, and that is definitely consistent with previous cleaning experiences. It's always the side tables, and we did have the tops of the glasses that were dusty, but other than that, all flat surfaces seemed pretty good. So we've just arrived back at the room, and my bed has been pulled down now. So the bed comes down from the ceiling, so I'm there. Hello, Paris.